Hello class 6, this is the second part of the chapter Thankless Goldsmith. In my previous video, I started the chapter and I completed the first, that means the first page, and I will be starting with the second paragraph of that, the last paragraph of the first page. So please take out your book and turn to page number 34. From the last paragraph I am going to read. The Nag said, "If ever you need me, just call me when I shall be there," and crawled away. So what happened, if you don't remember, I am just giving just a little bit clue that Manu was a hermit and he was very much thirsty. He came to a well and he got notice that a man, a tiger, a snake and a Vanar were all of them were actually they were living in they actually fell down into the well and they could not able to come out. So Manu helped all of them, except that means the man, and all of them were very much thankful to Manu, and they at the first they said that they were very much they will be always grateful to Manu, and also they said that not to help that man because the man was treacherous. Okay, so the Nag said that if when the Nag or the snake he came out of the well with the help of Manu, so he said that obviously whenever that Manu the hermit would need any help from the snake, so definitely the snake would be there to help him. And after saying that he just crawled away from there. Sher Singh said, "You must come and visit me. I live in that cave under the big rock." So Sher Singh, that means the tiger, he said that please come, please do visit to my cave, and I am living there in the cave which is under the big rock. Okay. The monkey chirped, "You must visit me too." And monkey also said that please visit my place. I live on the mango tree by the rock, and swiftly jumped onto the tree and disappeared into the forest. What happened? So the monkey also chirped. Chirp means that tweet and chatter, make the sound. Okay, so the monkey was making the sound and he said that please visit to my place. I live on the mango tree by the riverside. And after saying that, he just jumped onto other tree and disappeared into the forest. The man from the well was getting impatient. He cried out, "Have pity on me, pull me out too." The man was left only in the well, and he was getting impatient and he cried out, "Please help me out. I don't want to listen. I want to stay there." And he said that help me out and have pity on me. Please help me out. Then what happened? I'm telling. Manu felt sorry and pulled him out. Manu was very good in nature and he obviously felt very sorry, and he took what can I say, that he took the man out and he helped the man from getting out of the well. Okay. The man said to Manu, "Friend, thank you very much for saving my life. I shall never forget you. I am a goldsmith. If you ever need any gold ornaments, you must come to me. I shall make them for you." The goldsmith thanked Manu again and walked away. So what happened? After coming out of the well, the man was very happy, very glad, and he thanked several times to Manu, and he said that please come to my place. I am a goldsmith. If you want to make any golden ornaments, so please visit to my place. I will help you out. Okay. And after saying that, the goldsmith again thanked Manu and then he left away from that place. After a few weeks, Manu remembered Vanar's invitation. He walked towards the mango tree by the rock. Vanar was very pleased to see Manu. He greeted Manu and fed him with delicious mangoes, bananas, and cashew nuts. What happened? So after a few days passed, suddenly the hermit remembered the Vanar. So he wanted to visit to the place of Vanar. So he went there, and he saw that there was actually the Vanar, that means the monkey, was very very happy. Okay, when he got notice that Manu went to his house, went to his place. Okay, so they were very happy and they were very pleased to see Manu, and he greeted Manu, and he gave delicious fruits of the tree like mangoes, bananas, cashew nuts. He everything, whatever he got, he gave it to Manu. Okay, he called his family of hundreds to meet him, and Vanar called his all the family members, and he also met with the he also what can I say, that he also met with the man, that means Manu. Okay, that means Vanar's family met with Manu. As day passed, Manu decided to pay a visit to Sher Singh in his cave. Sher Singh was delighted to see Manu. He gave him a gold necklace and said, "Make use of this necklace when you need it. I had killed a prince a few days back. This was his." So after visiting the place of Vanar, then Manu decided that he would go to visit, that means what can I say, the tiger's place. Okay, so when he went there, obviously the tiger was very very happy, and he said that please, he got one, actually the tiger had one necklace, golden necklace, and he gave it to Manu, and he said that you make use of that necklace. I am just a tiger. What can I do? What should I do? What will I do? Sorry, what will I do with that golden necklace? It's no use to me. So please take it and make use of that. Actually, and there was another story behind it. The tiger actually killed one prince. Okay, and as he killed one prince, it belonged to that prince. Okay, so the prince was killed by the tiger, only his necklace was there with him. So that necklace he wanted to give it to Manu. Now Manu thought to himself, what would a hermit need a necklace for? I can sell it to the goldsmith whom I saved from the well, and with that money I can buy food and other things. So Manu got it, Manu took it, but he was thinking that I'm a saint. What should I do with that golden ornament? I will sell it to the goldsmith. And where Manu next would be going? He was going to meet the goldsmith whom he once helped. Okay, so he took that necklace, and Manu took that necklace, and he went to visit the goldsmith. Okay, now what happened? He also, actually Manu was thinking that I'm just a saint. I could not do with anything with the golden ornament. So if I can able to buy that, so I will buy it, and I will get some money, and with that money I will be able to buy some food and some what can I say, that food and some other necessary things. Okay,